Welcome at tutorial number 39 of the EEP-10 Model Railway Simulator. In video 38 we discussed the theory behind a two-track turnout control circuit to safeguard it, and we suggested that we would like to try build that in practice. Well, let's make that a little project and see if we can do that in maybe 3 videos of 10 minutes each, something like that. Let's have a look at what I have designed. This is in SCARM, the edit program that I often use as long as I'm not certain what I'm going to build. I can easily move pieces around here and change things. And once it's finalized, then I start building an EEP. Okay, let's have a little look. This is 1, 2, 3 straights of 60, then a straight with a switch, and then 2 more straights. So it's 3, 1, 2. That I can remember. And well, these angles, I know they are 60 degrees. Let's have a go and build that. I already opened up EEP and went to the new layout and accepted the default. So I now have 1 kilometer by 0.6 kilometer. And well, let's just lay track. First select the track you like and then click the track laying icon and lay the first track as a reference. Now zoom in with the mouse wheel, and I needed 3 of those, so forward copy 1, 2, and now I have 3. Then we needed our switch. Okay, laying track is always a 3-step process. First click here, then click there, then click again and move. So well, it could have been easier, but it is not, so we have to just work like that. Okay, I mean in SCARM you just have to press the space bar to lay a new track. That's of course a little bit more convenient, but let's not complain, it is working so far. I now need a right copy, I think. Yes, and also of all these guys I need a right copy, so we are just going to do that. And 1 more, and then we are going to make a little curve down. That is on the angle and radius mode. That is a negative angle of 60, and let's take for the inner loop a radius of minus 50. Also the radius you have to give a negative value, which is of course quite strange, but it is no other. I need an outer loop too for that guy. And then I also need a left copy, no, a forward copy, but backward, a mirrored one. Yeah, we need that later. Okay, let's have a go and place the stuff. Okay, and this one over here. Now let's have a few tracks of 60, so let me make a forward copy of this one and connect it over here, and then again make a right copy. Yes, and now this was the this was the outer loop, so let's place it over here and then make a left copy. That should do it. Yes. Now I want to close this gap. Yeah, probably the X position of this one seems to be a little bit further down the road than the X position of this one. So this can never be a perfect circle, but I'm not even going to calculate with sine and cosine and what have you, what the radius and the angles must be. There's a neat little function inside EEP under the bearbeiten menu. There is Gleislücke schließen, oftewel close the gap. Well, let me click the bottom one first and then the top one of the inner loop, and you see what it does. It calculates apparently what it needs to do. And well, that was a neat trick. Let's do that again. But now let us have the other way around. Start at the top and close the gap at the bottom. And now I see that I get something extra, so it went wrong. I don't know why it does this. I just wanted to show you that sometimes this goes wrong. Can I hit escape to get rid of it? No, you can't. Once you did it, you need to click to place it, and now I have to get rid of it again because it doesn't work. As you see, it has not really connected because it is not blue. So I get rid of all these things and I try again, but apparently it can make a difference. You can get surprises. Then what you can do is try it the other way around, so in this case from bottom to top, and that worked better. I don't know why, I just found this out sometime and I wanted to show you. Alright, what are we going to do over here? Well, over here we are also going to make a loop, so I now need a mirrored one to the other side. Yes, that's good. And then I need to make that a, now I forgot, a positive curve, I think. Well, we just try. And our curve is 50, or is it, well, make it 45.5. That's the outer loop, so that is the same as the other one, more or less. Okay, that worked fine. Why didn't I make this 90 degrees? We will try. If it's long enough, then it will work. Yeah, it's long enough. And then copy it forward. And now I will have a 60 degree one. So this final one we make 60 degrees. Okay. And now I am going to try close this gap. Well, maybe I should make this one a bit shorter. Let's have a look at our SCARM example. Yeah, this one over here is a bit shorter, you see, otherwise you cannot get a good curve. That would lead to problems. So maybe I better make this one a bit shorter. I don't know how short. Well, let's say 40. Then it should be able to close that gap for me automatically. Oh, that was of course not very handy. It needs to be there. Okay. Now I'm going to try see if we can close this gap automatically. Yeah, I'm going from here to there. What do I get? Well, I get a nice S curve and or a straight and a curve. I don't know what it exactly made. Well, let's have a look. It made a straight and a curve and another curve. Well, okay, I don't mind. It looks good. Well, I see now on my screen that on my counter and my timer that we have spent 7 minutes building this. Okay, one thing is not very nice over here. That switch over there, that I would like it to be at the left, no, at the right side, so that I can see it. Yes. Okay, so I think we did a good job building the track. In the next video we are going to place the signals that we would like to have, and maybe if we have time enough we also place 4 trains and see if we can drive around already a little bit. So see you back in the next video. Okay, why don't I zoom? Yes, this is what we have now.